Is it actually possible to train your brain to make more money? The answer is yes, and it's a lot easier than you would think. I will share the story of a real-life entrepreneur who trained his brain to make more money. Let's call him John. For John, it all started when he set goals for the life he wanted to live. His mentor, a very wise and rich businessman, once told him, "In order to achieve your goals, you first have to have clarity on what they are." So let's say you have a financial goal of making, let's say, $100,000 a year. Okay, that's about $8,500 a month. Or about, $2,150 every week that you want to earn. And let's say you're not earning that right now. One of the things you can do to train your brain to help you make that amount of money is, first and foremost, get clear on the exact amount you want to earn, whether it's per week, per month, or per year. That's step number one. Step number two, create a simple affirmation that goes like this. I am so happy and grateful for the fact that I am now earning $10,000 a month. Simple affirmation. And what you have to do is read that affirmation every single morning and night before you go to bed, 5 to 10 times. And as you read that affirmation, I want you to close your eyes and I want you to practice, mentally rehearse, you receiving that money in the form of a check or cash or in your bank account. See the money going into your bank account. I want you to feel what it feels like to consistently have $10,000 a month coming into your bank account. And you can choose whatever amount you want, by the way. And as you close your eyes and you visualize that money coming into your account, what I also want you to visualize is the impact that that amount of money will have on your life, your family's life, your friend's life, the community that you live in, and the charities that you want to support. Get totally into a mental movie and the emotions as if you were a Hollywood actor or actress pretending that that was really happening. So you'd read your affirmation, I'm so happy and grateful for the fact that I am now earning $10,000 a month. And as you do that and you repeat that, mentally rehearse, visualize what that looks like. And what that does is it primes your brain to see and feel as if it is real right now. And that activates the different parts of your brain, specifically the left prefrontal cortex, which is the genius, CEO, Einstein part of your brain that can actually help you figure out how to achieve that goal and dream. So if you do that in the morning and at night, before bed, you will start to prime your brain with an affirmation, with a mental rehearsal. And you will cognitively prime your brain. And if you want a bonus step, what I want you to do is take a vision board, either on your computer or a physical board, and cut out some pictures of what lifestyle earning $10,000 a month will allow you to live. What kind of car would you drive? What kind of places would you go vacation? And what kind of home would you live in? What kind of charities would you support? Get pictures of the outcome of earning $10,000 a month or $100,000 a year, and start to see yourself in that scenario and act as if it is real right now. And then every day ask yourself a question. What can I do today to make that amount of income a reality? And take 1 or 2 action steps towards making that a reality. So the physical actions, in addition to the mental rehearsal with affirmations and visualizations, are one of the best ways to start priming your brain to achieve the financial goals you have. And that's it. Start today and be consistent.